I'm Ben Ford with Garden Guru. This is my personal garden, and I'm just going to give you a little tour of some of the plants that I've got here in this little pocket. I love to incorporate boulders into landscaping with different planting pockets. This is actually an herb garden for my wife. And then I added this really cool Golden Falls weeping redbud that cascades over the rocks and spills over the plants and gives that beautiful golden foliage. With a weeping redbud, you get the spring blooms, the summer foliage. It's so much better than like a weeping Japanese maple. I'm Ben Ford with Garden Guru. Thanks so much for coming.
They will come. They will.